Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show how to install Spring Boot using Homebrew in your Mac. First of all, you have to make sure your Mac has Homebrew. To confirm that, open command terminal, run this command. That means there's no Homebrew in my Mac. Now I'm going to install Homebrew. To install, go to brew.sh and copy that link, paste on terminal and run it. Enter your admin password and enter. To continue, press enter again. In this scenario, we need Java. So make sure your device has Java. If your machine doesn't have Java, I recommend install JDK 8 version. To know Homebrew is successfully installed your Mac, run this command. Then you can get sort of command. That means you successfully installed Homebrew. Then we're gonna check Java. Now my Mac has JDK 8 version. Now we're gonna install Spring Boot using Homebrew. To install, copy first command line and paste it to a terminal and run it. If that finished, copy second line and paste it on terminal and run it. If you got this error, you have to follow some instruction. Otherwise, you don't have got any error. That means you installed Spring Boot successfully. Now I'm going to show how to solve that error. First, copy that command and paste it on terminal and run it. Now copy the second line and paste on it and run it. Then copy the third line and paste it on terminal and run it. After that, have we done our installation successfully? Run this command on your terminal. If you got sort of lines, that means we did our installation successfully. Now I am gonna do a small program with Spring Boot. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video.